we've gotten to the point in pregnancy where it's time for the dreaded glucose drink. I don't like refrigerated drinks, so I'm only going to do it like at room temperature. So hopefully it's better than the last time. Because I tried the last time with like a lemon lime thing from the fridge, and I literally vomited it up like after the first like 5 minutes. So we're trying the orange flavor. Oh gosh. That's actually delicious. That's actually not terrible. Oh no. It's like a protein shake. You would only like it for the first 5 minutes, and then you get to the bottom and you're suffering. Oh. I shouldn't have chewed gum beforehand. It's the back of your throat. Rowan's gonna be in the womb with all the sugar. She'll be like, all of the lights. Still a little bit left.